I'm coding a detective game. I modeled a city. Comment an object to put into my game. I might do it. The plan for this video is to get more immersion. Immersion. I've added the city skyline, I've added a huge building. Now I'm gonna add city sounds and like rain and maybe cars as well. I found an ambiance I want to add to the game, but I actually have to figure it out. When the player is moving for about a second, it needs to play one of these 5 random footstep sounds. Alright, now whenever I'm moving, it sends a thing. I just need to figure out how to do one of the random things. I'm doing a thing. Doing a thing. I'm doing a thing. I missed. I want to see if it works. It does work, it was just lagging. This is cool. And then I stop and it stops. And it's lagging. I've added rain and ripple effects, and also I've added a sound effect, and now it's kind of cool. Now what I want to do is I want to figure out how I can add a skybox, a cloudy skybox with dark, rainy clouds, because right now it doesn't make any sense. And drag this. Look at that. It's definitely not rainy or cloudy, but it'll have to do. I couldn't find another one. I've added a ripple effect, and I've also designed a car that I'm gonna use. I've made an animation for the car, but I can't figure out how to add it, so unfortunately, I'm not gonna be using this. All around. I made the car. It's moving. It's moving. Move better. Alright, I gave it a better path, and now it looks pretty cool. One thing though, it does not rotate when it moves. I've added cars. There's a car there, there's also more cars, and I've also added a cursor on the screen. I've also added running. And at the end of the street is a doorknob, and if I click E when looking at it, it sends a message in the chat when I'm closer. Preferably it should do something cooler. Like blood. I made this objective at the bottom of the screen, and then once you click the door, you get to this view, and the blood appears there, and now I just have to add the sound effect. Alright, I've added the sound effect. I want to see if it's working now. Nope. Alright, I should fix it. Alright, it should be fixed. Look at that. Now I just increase numbers to add some pizzazz. It should be a bigger size now. Here we go.